Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Skullcandy Dime earbuds and maybe only one ear, maybe only the left ear or the right ear is making sound, or you're having connection issues, or there's something wrong with the sound. A hard reset can fix a lot of these problems. So how we're going to do a hard reset on these earbuds is we want to make sure that they have some charge in them, and then we're going to remove them from their case. And once we remove them from their case, we're going to turn them on if they don't turn on automatically, and then we're going to come in on the power button, and we're going to do a double tap. So we're going to go press, hold. And you can do this on each of them. And if you go press, hold, after 8 to 10 seconds, you'll see the indicator light will start to blink back and forth, and blue and red. And just give it like maybe another 10 seconds or so to go through that cycle. Then that means that your headphones will have been reset. Now all the pairings will be forgotten, so you'll have to repair them with whatever device you want to. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.